Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a short one, but very needed. Today I'm going to be showing you how to verify game files and or how to repair your game files. You're going to want to know how to do this. Well, say you're playing your game and all of a sudden it is just not working how it should. It keeps crashing, keeps freezing, it just randomly started. This is when you're going to want to verify your game files or repair your game files. I'm going to be going over the more popular launchers, so let's get right into it. All right, I'm going to start with battle.net. If you guys see my cursor here, make sure you are selected on a game. All you're going to have to do here is go down to the play button, click on the gear icon, options icon, and simply click scan and repair, and then begin scan. All right, the next one I'm going to show you is EA. Once again, make sure you are selected on a game that you have installed. All you gotta do is go by the play button, click manage, and once again, click on repair. Next up, we have Epic Games. Go to your game library, go to a game. Here I'll use Fall Guys. You're going to right click the game, go down to manage, and then click verify files. Next up, we have Riot Games. For this one, it's a little different. You're not gonna go over to the game. You're gonna go up to your account up here, go down to settings, click on Valorant, whatever game it is, and then click on repair. Next up, we have probably the most popular launcher. We have Steam. Go to any game that you have downloaded, right click it, go down to properties. Next, go to local files, and then verify integrity of game files. Last but not, well, they're probably least, honestly. All you got to do for Ubisoft here, find any game you have installed, right click it, and then boom, right there is verify files. Alright you guys, if you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like on the video, leave a comment on what I should do next for a tutorial, and also please leave a sub. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.